I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way. Welcome back to our Litchfield adventure. If you missed our last episode, see the link above, but we're being joined by our friends Nick and Bianca for a couple of weeks as we explore the Northern Territory. In this episode, we continue to explore Litchfield National Park and go on the hunt for some of its best waterholes. Can we see it?
She said no to the milkshake.
So we're just at the top of the Wangi Falls loop walk.
Yep.
Yep, we're still wearing matchy. It is a different day, we just are wearing the same clothes. Nick's wearing the same clothes, Bianca has changed.
Yeah, we everyone's so close.
Yeah, not a bad view.
So we left Greenant for, oh no.
What?
No.
What are you talking about? Try that again. And cut. Action.
So we're at Greenant Falls.
No, we're not at Greenant Falls.
Whatever, we're near
Greenant
Greenant. Whatever. We're doing a walk. About 2.5k.
2.7.
2.7. We're going to go dip our feet in some water, look at some waterfalls, not get bitten by ants, and have a good time.
Yeah.
So many facts that were tricky.
Facts with Justin.
Here we go, how do you say that?
We're going to
See?
Chibata Falls.
Yeah, that's about right.
That's nice.
We made it towards our
Of which falls?
Chibata.
Tasty.
Pretty stunning.
You haven't got there yet, have you? You can't see it.
I can see it.
It's
like a bubble bar.
not bad. I'm more impressed with that tree. Hey, I feel a little pin drop.
What's that? Well, I can't get my head wet. You bottled it last minute. How painful was that?
About 11.
Boys! Boys!
Go down.
Justin, please let me see.
Get back here right now.
Remember that time when you thought you almost died? Was that not towards the edge of a cliff?
Lately I've been losing my direction. I know, 'cause I've been trapped inside this heart of mine. I'm exhausted tonight 'cause I can't sleep. No, I can't sleep. I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep without you beside me. I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep without you beside me. Without you beside me. Lately I've been losing my direction. I know, 'cause I've been trapped inside this heart of mine. I'm exhausted tonight 'cause I can't sleep. No, I can't sleep. I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep.
So we're just doing the Tolmer Falls loop walk.
Yeah, the creek loop walk, yeah.
Pretty stunning. We just stopped at the top, got the drone out, flew it through a little cave while the screen turned off.
And if anyone asks, you have to have a permit to fly the Northern Territory, which we have.
Yeah, so it's cool. So we'll finish the walk
Get some more pictures.
and then go from there. So we enjoyed our little walk and some drone flying at the waterfalls.
Yeah, Tolmer.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, we didn't have enough battery to refly the drone at the lookout, but I think we got some pretty cool shots. But we were clever enough to, before we do that, come to Florence Falls' old four-wheel drive campsite, set up camp, and then go, because there's no spots left by the time we got back.
So now we're back at camp, all set up, awning and shit. Now we're going to go
Have a look at Florence Falls.
beverages and go have a look at the falls here.
Probably go again in the morning, but why not?
Yep.
Interesting.
So, be good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
No.
No.
Okay.
Cats. Looking forward to a swim, Nicholas?
Sure am.
You going to do another flip?
If there's something to flip off, I'll certainly give it a go and see if I can just fall in the water again.
What about a belly flop?
Yeah. Oh no, I've now put water into both ears, so my ears are a bit sore.
Bianca bought us swimmers at least.
Yeah.
Are you going to do a flip, Bianca?
Absolutely. For those who couldn't hear, that was an absolutely not.
Oh, that's peace better. I can float now.
Hello. No jumping. Quite a strong current. Justin.
You got a fire. Hang on.
Yeah.
What is it?
No, don't go fire. It says no jumping. under there, yeah?
There was a rock.
Yeah, and you hit it.
No, I hit it on the way up. When you go like that.
I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep without you beside me. Without you beside me.
Sorry, I'll try that again because it didn't start. How do you rate the floaties, Bianca?
They were good.
They were good.
Stayed above water.
That's good.
The boys tried to take them off me, but I didn't allow it.
Well, it's definitely a handy to have a floaty, isn't it?
It
Whilst the
is.
boys who both own swimming trunks are still wearing their normal shorts. And Justin basically looks naked. Although, me too right now, with my little side. What's that? My little side clip on my towel. I'm too fat for my towel.
So, just about to leave Litchfield and head out to Robin Falls, which we stayed at on our way up to Darwin. It's just a spectacular little free camp. Hopefully we'll be able to get a spot.
Yeah, we quickly popped into Booley Rock Hole, but there's so many people swimming there, and we had a nice early morning swim at Florence Falls when it was empty, so didn't feel like getting wet again. Drove past the termite mound, but the boss said, "Lad, let's not get out of the car." The boss being the people in the other car.
But in general, Florence Falls, beautiful campsite we stayed at last night. If you're going to get there about 11, 12 o'clock, because then most people have left and the others haven't arrived because it's pretty
Busy.
rare.
Yeah, I mean, they're great campsites right next to the attractions, both the ones at Florence Falls and Wangi Falls, so
And they're $6.60 with either hot
showers.
showers or cold shower flushing toilets. Like,
what more can you want?
yeah.
So thank you very much, Litchfield. It's a shame that the four-wheel drive track to Sandy Creek and Surprise Falls, etc. is shut, but it's still been an epic couple of days.
Yep. Over and out.
Over and out. That was an awesome couple of days in Litchfield National Park. Join us next time as we head south towards Catherine. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.